Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today's video is going to be how we decide on what pieces to buy and what pieces to pass on when we go thrift store shopping. The first piece that we decided to get was this gorgeous French provincial that always does pretty well on selling.
I have come to rescue you.
So, clean up this hardware, make it a nice soft gold, and either do all white, like the classic French provincial look, or we've done a subtle contrast before between like a white body and like a light gray drawers, which has looked really nice in the past. So I may poll on Instagram and see what people want to do, but I'm kind of thinking with the two different colors and the soft contrast. So after checking to make sure that all the drawers worked and that all the hardware was still in place, we decided to buy this. This was listed for $100, but as we were leaving, we noticed that we had a today's discount tag of 30% off. Moving on to the second piece.
Come in. I just don't think it's a good quality piece. It's a laminate top, beat up. We're gonna pass on it.
You're a dork.
So we took the French provincial with us and we went to our second store, which is the Heaven Sent thrift store.
So we're checking here on this piece to see if it can have a custom base. One of the things that we want to see is, does this panel go all the way down to the ground? If it goes all the way down to the ground, it's going to be hard to add a custom base to it. This one does not, so I'm very confident we're going to be able to take all of this off, but you don't really know until you get it upside down. But either way, I think we're going to get this piece because it's a nice solid piece, and we'll find out if we can do a custom base when we get it home.
So after making sure that all of the drawers worked properly and had all the drawer runners, it looked to be in good condition, we decided to go ahead and buy it. This one was listed for $125, so we are going home with two pieces, a French provincial dresser and the other dresser that you just saw. We will flip these and we will put them in our gallery. It is called the Moses Restorations Gallery, and it is in the Mercantile in the Brook Highland Shopping Center located in Birmingham, Alabama. And here is the finished product. We ended up paying $70 for this French provincial dresser, sold it for $495, and made a profit of $425. And for this dresser, we paid $125 plus $75 in hardware and sold it for $550, making a profit of $350. We are Matt and Jennifer Moses. We are a husband and wife team who flip furniture. Follow along, like and subscribe for more flips and tricks.